birds.
I am the bird that this bird needs.
I am the hero. I am the hero burger.
I am the deserving of the city bird.
No, I am the deserving bird of this city.
I don't deserve the deserving of these birdies. I deserve to see some.
I'm the bird this city deserves. And that this city needs. So bow down and suck on these nuts. Come on, birdies. We're gonna learn to fly today.
Yay!
Alright, listen.
We fly these feathers.
We're gonna fly, okay?
My game is frozen.
He's flying!
He's
You're flying! You're doing it!
Wait, there has fly.
Hold on.
We're going upstairs, or
Alright, ready? I'm gonna fly. You ready for this? There's...
Wait.
go ahead, fly.
Hold on, I want to see this.
Alright, it's gonna be majestic. Yeah! Perfect landing.
Oh shit!
Ready?
Yep.
Man, you suck at flying. You just fell like a brick. Alright, what are we doing?
Where are you guys at? Hold on, I'm running over. Here. Hi, who's over there?
I'm coming over. Oh, what's up?
Okay, do you see me?
Oh shit!
Oh.
Aha! Wait, I'll put you over.
Oh, this is so dangerous.
Aha!
Ow.
So, this is really it, Try and get into the second bit.
No, what? Come on.
I knew where the fuck you nerds were.
How did you know that?
Because I saw you. I walked underneath you at one point.
Wow. Hey, look, guys, I'm flying.
You're flying!
Guys, I know how to fly. I am your god.
Bye-bye.
Oh, no.
No, bitch! Oh, God.
I broke my ankle.
Guys, I'm a bird. Did you know that?
Oh, okay.
Did you know I was a bird? Did you know?
Oh!
Bird. Guys! Here! Come in here!
What?
In here!
What did you find?
Come on! In here! Come on in here!
What does it do?
I don't know. It's an elevator.
Oh, thanks for telling him.
Wow, fascinating, though. Thank God. And now you told him what we're in.
Alright, let's see what floor we are at.
I have no idea where the hell you guys
Just
are.
pop up on the top and go,
Whoa, what let me out.
What did you take us into?
I'm scared.
I don't know. We're in a dark dimension.
Don't go down there.
Mini-Life, just tell us where you are. Can you stop, David? Every fucking can't get through here.
Come on, little fella, you can do it.
How do you turn the TV on here? You're a piece of shit.
Use your wings, man.
Scumbag. There, he's right there, Evan. He's right there.
Come on, get him.
Get him. Go.
Oh, I just realized I could push you. Oh my gosh, I can't even get past you when I push you. You're a fucking slut. Hope you're dying some seeds.
20 seconds. Finger his butt.
I give up. Oh, I fell off. Can't get up, bitch! Shit! I give up.
Look, it's not that hard, man.
I don't want to fucking. I don't want to. Give me a boost, will you? Give me a fucking.
Crouch jump.
Hey!
Crouch jump.
Look at his eyes.
Yeah, crouch jump. It won't let me jump. Oh, they're not here. Oh. Yeah. No! That's not!
Oh, yeah, mine! Mine over there, yes, mine! It was all part of my plan.
There he goes.
Hold on. What happened to him? Oh, the elevator.
Just a skull. He turned into a skull.
It's just a skull, man.
Yeah, one, bitch.
Wait a minute. Jump up here. If you could jump up there on that little corner right here, little edge.
It's a bird. It's a bird pig. It's a bird pig.
Oh, it's a bitch. It's a bird.
Oh, got you.
Birdie bitch.
Whack.
That's so creepy. Open the door.
I'm not running anymore. I'm not ready. Where you going? Where for 360 grand? Why am I not touching you? What the fuck?
Can't catch me.
Come here!
I got the wrong way, bitch.
I am in hot too. I'm going to
Can't catch me. The owl is too fast for you.
The
owl is too fast for you.
You're not the bird flu.
This way, this way.
Must be one.
Why did that door close?
Oh, yes.
Quackity quack. Oh,
Backity quack.
no.
Never look back.
Hey, Delirious. Watch out. I'm gonna get you that win. Okay. Alright.
Delirious.
Watch out.
Delirious.
I'm ready.
Surprise!
I'm ready.
I tricked you. I tricked you.
Okay, now it's time to go.
Hey, where you going? Where you
Now it's
going?
time to go. Now it's time to go.
Get him.
Buttercup.
Where you go?
Get out. Gonna give you a bird flu.
Oh, fuck.
Gonna give you a bird.
Get away from me. Get away.
Oh, he fell.
Get away.
No, you bitch.
You can run, but you can't hide now. Can't hide. He kind of running for his life. He didn't know I went to cut him off. Where the fuck did he go? You actually lost him. Yeah, I lost him. he went to the cum factory and then never came out.
What are you talking about?
No, I'm not gonna ask questions.
Yeah,
I'm gone.
leave that one. He went down the hole and never saw him again. What?
Bye, Delirious.
Did you go back down the hole?
No, of course
You went
not.
right down the fucking hole, didn't you?
I saw a little birdie bird.
No. I can break records. I can take over the world.
I can stand up for what's right.
This is the new America.
Not just dreaming, but doing.
This is the
The new American G.
Built for freedom.
Can I kick it?
Yes, you can. Bird. What kind of bird was it?
Come on, 20 more seconds.
Where are you?
Oh my god, that scared the shit out of me.
I saw your little thing between.
Creepy ass lobster bird.
Wow. You fucking dick.
You were disconnected.
You're an asshole, man. Thanks for the help. You're my favorite YouTuber.
Hello.
You bitch. Fuck you, you fucking. Get out of my way, you bird asshole.
Well, look up there, guys. Yeah, up there, Jesse. Yeah. They're all right down there. Get him. Get him. Oh. He can't even fucking jump up here.
I can't believe we're doing this. We're birds.
Birds have been getting together. Being a bird. Come on, V-shape, motherfucker, V-shape.
Oh my god.
Fly up there.
You do it.
Get up, brother.
Get out of the way.
With your wings.
It's really sad. It's really sad.
Come on. Oh, you're so close. Who the hell was that? He's an old man.
This is.
Come on.
We got it up.
How did you get up there?
Hey, what's up, man? Hey, you wanna go this way? I think my spot's better than yours.
No, I think your spot's really easy to get to.
I think we can get both of you guys very easily.
No, there's only 50 seconds left.
All right. You guys try to get Vanoss. I'll go get. Well,
He didn't get me. I don't know how to get. Oh.
You're not your character.
Look at how slowly Nose is just walking, just casually.
Hey, guys.
What did you
Everyone down. Everyone down. I'm
gonna run for it.
They're gonna pick your balls out.
What?
Nothing, man. Nothing. I mean, pick your eyes out. That's what I said. They'll pick your balls.
Wildcat?
What?
Are you good?
A wildcat jumped off two guys. Come back here. They kill fucking out. Where'd he go? What's your ball?
I failed. I'm gone.
No. You must have ball. Not Jim. No. Not Jim.
Yeah, no! Are you kidding me? He got me right in the last second.
I win. Suck my dick. I win. Suck my dick.
Stupid
Suck my
love.